DJI, we have a problem. Recently I showed you how you could use this camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro, via the DJI MIMO app to quickly and easily live stream to YouTube. On the back of your camera it's going to say live. When you look at your MIMO app it's going to say you're live streaming. But when you go to YouTube, nada, nothing at all. It's not working and it's highly annoying. But before you pick up your action camera and throw it through the window, don't despair, because I have found a workaround solution. In this quick little video, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so the site that we're going to use to allow us to stream from our Osmo Action 5 Pro via the app to YouTube is called Restream.io, and I've got the name of the address at the bottom of the screen. All you need to do is go there and sign up, create an account. It's free. It doesn't take too long to do. And then once you've followed the bouncing ball and done that, you're going to have a screen like the one that we have displayed on the side of the screen right now. So this is like your main screen for Restream, like your home screen. Okay, so I'm doing this on a mobile or a smartphone right now. You can also set up the account on like a desktop computer. So at the top right-hand corner, we're going to see the hamburger, which is the 3 lines. We're going to tap on that one. And now it's going to bring up some of my details there. Now, there are paid accounts, but there's also free accounts too, and that's what we're going to be using today. The free account, it's pretty simple to use, and then down the bottom there's also options like there's the home screen, past streams, and all those other bits and bobs which are kind of helpful. Now, once you've done all that, what you need to do is you need to tap on where it says New. So we tap on New. It's going to bring up this screen here, which is called the Create a New Stream menu. And we're going to tap on the second option where it says Encoder RTMP. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using RTMP, which stands for Real-Time Messaging Protocol, as our streaming encoder. So basically RTMP is the connection in between the app and the service which you're going to stream to, which in this case today is going to be YouTube. So we're going to tap on that one. Now that's going to bring up this settings screen here. And if we have a look at the screen for a second, you'll see it has a URL. It also has a stream key, and we're going to need them shortly. And down the bottom, it's going to have some settings down here as well. Now, if this is the first time that you've used Restream, you're going to want to add an account. Now, down the bottom here, you can see I've got a couple of accounts that I've added. To do so, all you need to do is tap on that Add Channel option. It's a plus there, and that's going to bring up a different screen. And this screen here is going to bring up the Add New Channels menu. Now, if you have a look, these are all the different social media sites that you can actually stream to via this awesome app. With the free program, you can only stream to 2 of them, but that's still pretty good for free. So as you can see, everything there: Instagram, X, TikTok, Amazon Live. There's a whole bunch of awesome stuff there. So we're going to go back out of there. Now, I've chosen YouTube in my case. If you want to use YouTube, you can do that. If you want to choose Twitch, this is where you would actually tap on the one that you're choosing from. Like I've done YouTube. From this screen here, you're going to choose the account that's connected to your YouTube account. That's going to bring up another screen, and it's going to ask you if you want to sign back in, or if you're doing this for the first time, it'll just sort of say, okay, tap on continue and head to the next screen. So basically that's what you do. You just follow the bouncing ball and hit continue a couple of times. And if you have a look there, it's going to add an account. Now, I've already added my Adventure Tim Media account. That's why it appears there. But if you haven't done this before, it's then going to put your account there. Now, this is the first time you've ever live streamed, and maybe you haven't like verified your YouTube account. If you do select a YouTube account, you're going to have to wait 24 hours until you can actually use the Restream site. Okay, that's something to be aware of. So I'm now going to go back. Now I've kind of gone back to this screen. I've linked it up to a YouTube channel, which is great. Now down the bottom, we're going to see this little cog here, and that's for settings. We're going to tap on settings. It's going to bring up the settings menu. We're going to have a look at primary stream. We're going to tap on that one there. Now, this one here has much the same details we had in the previous screen, but we're interested in where it says show advanced settings. I'm going to tap on that one there. Now, what it has here is a combined RTMP link. This is the link that you're going to need so you can actually stream over RTMP via the MIMO app. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that
that combined RTMP link. Select all, and we're going to copy that. And it's been copied to clipboard.
All right, I want to give you a number. It's a big number too, 90%. Now that 90% represents the number of people who watched videos on this channel, but they haven't subscribed. Now, if you've learned anything from this channel, maybe you've been even entertained a little bit, or maybe you've enjoyed some of my work, hopefully some of it, if you're still watching at this point, I would really super appreciate it if you could hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Just these couple of things make a big difference to the growth of my little channel, and they only take a few seconds, and they don't cost you a penny or $1 or £1 or a ruble. So if you could do me a favor and hit the like and the subscribe buttons, I would super appreciate it. And in return, each and every week I'll try and bring you the best new tips, tutorials, and news and views from the world of action cameras. Okay, thanks for listening. Let's get back to the video.
Okay, so once you've copied that key to your clipboard, you now want to go to the MIMO app. Now, I want to make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. It could be a home Wi-Fi, or if you're like me, outside, you can even use your hotspot. So we've done that. Now I want to connect the MIMO app to the camera. I'm going to tap on the camera icon at the bottom of the app. Now it's going to bring it up into this screen here, and we want to go to the live stream settings. Here we go. So now it's got a live feed of what the camera is seeing as I'm out here in the park. Now, I'm just going to tap on where it says live stream. Now, this is the menu that you might recognize from my previous video. This time we're going to tap on RTMP down the bottom. Once we've done that, we're now going to tap on the blue box where it says start live stream, or preparing to live stream. Okay, so what happens now is we've come into the live stream settings menu. At the very top, if you've already connected to Wi-Fi, it's going to appear there. Otherwise, you might have to find your own Wi-Fi and enter any passcodes or keys. Now, in the next section where it says enter RTMP URL, that is where you put that link, or that's where you put that line of text that we copied from the Restream site earlier. Plonk it down there. Then you want to choose your resolution, and you want to choose your streaming quality, and then you want to choose your EIS settings or your stabilization settings. Once you're happy with that, you want to tap on Start Live Stream. Now on the app, it's going to say Live Stream in progress. If we have a look right now here on the camera, you can see it's live streaming, right? And just to prove that this one's working fine this time, we're going to get out of here. I'm going to go back to Restream, which is the site that we went through. We're going to quit out of this settings one here. We're going to tap on the home button. Now what's going to happen right now, if you have a look at the top of the screen there, it has, there you go, it has our video. It's actually kind of showing the feed right now, and it says live, right? So if I tap on that, on the Restream, it's going to come to a bigger screen, and it's going to show the live feed from the camera right now. So right now I'm here in the park, and we have a bit of a look there. That's great. Now there is a 5-second delay. So for example, if I bob my head in front of the camera, 1, 2, 3, if you wait about 5 seconds, that's now going to appear on the feed. There you go. I was just bobbing like one of the deers in Nara in Japan. So that's it. That's how simple and quick and easy it is to live stream over RTMP by using the MIMO app. Now, when you finish your live stream, all you need to do is just turn off on the camera and go back to your MIMO app and hit end the live stream. It's going to double check. Now, once that's done, you get the live stream complete tick on the screen. Okay, so once you've done all that, once you've ended your live stream, if you go into YouTube and you choose the live tab, and it'll actually kind of show all your live streams there, and you'll be able to see what you've just recorded.
The DJI OSMO ACTION 5 Pro is a pretty fantastic little camera, but I've got to say this is a bit of a bugbear and something that's been a little bit disappointing from my end. However, I think the solution that we've provided in this video by going via the Restream.io website is a pretty good workaround and does a pretty good job. In the meantime, we can just hope and pray that the next version of DJI's update, or their firmware update for the MIMO app, will include some improvements to the live streaming capabilities, or maybe we'll have to wait for the new camera, the Osmo Action 6, which is due to be coming out in the next few weeks. To learn more about action cameras like this one here, and GoPros and accessories as well, what you want to do is click on this video over here next. Thanks for your company. I'll see you in the next video.